In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your Samsung phone, and then I'll show you two methods to open them, and the timestamps for both are given in the description. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is go to the app drawer. So you can just swipe up, and then you have to click on the three dots which are on the top right. After that, click on Settings. And now it'll take you to the home screen settings. After this, you'll have to scroll down and you'll find an option to hide apps on home and app screen. So click on this option over here. And from here, you can select any app which you want to hide. So you can just scroll down or you can search for the app on top. For now, I'll hide Chrome. So all I have to do is select Chrome over here. As you can see, now it's come on top under hidden apps. And then I have to click on done. And now it's done. So if I go back to the app drawer, as you can see, Chrome has gone from here because it's hidden. And if you want to hide more apps, you have to follow the same method of going to settings and then selecting the apps you want to hide. Now I'll show you how to open apps which you've hidden. And there are two ways to do this. In the first method, which is the method that I prefer, all you have to do is search for the app over here. So now I'll search for Chrome since it's hidden. And as you can see, under settings, Chrome has come here. So I'll click on it. And now if you want to open it, all you have to do is click on open, that's on the bottom left. And now as you can see, Chrome has opened. But at the same time, it's hidden. So if I go to the app drawer, then you won't find Chrome over here. And the second method to open apps is by unhiding them. And to do this, again click on the three dots on the top right. Select the option to hide apps. And as you can see, Chrome is showing as a hidden app. And to unhide it, I'll just deselect it by clicking on it. And then click on done. And now I'll go back to the app drawer. And as you can see, Chrome is back and I can normally just open it. So this is basically how it works. And if you want to know how to take a scrolling screenshot, then check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.